Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah, man. Big
There's a no movement.
no movement.
Tiffy, come out as a man, make the people and see.
What's good?
Za. So you say I go on today? Papa. Oh, Tiffy gone. Go chat to Papa. Papa,
Yeah.
I go on to the bakery.
Well, it's going good. I just need a couple more foreign orders.
Hold on. Couple more foreign order.
Yeah, for Christmas. Fruit cake for Christmas, you know, guys. Definitely.
I don't know nothing about that.
You know, business have to come good. And when business thrives, that's where it's gonna be
Yeah,
good.
my birthday I come from one a dozen cocoa or more.
How many your birthday?
January.
My God.
How much?
4th of January.
Oh, yeah, Capricorn.
Yeah.
But that's two.
Yeah. I hope Mr. Brown rich.
My phone just up on charge. This one can't go on mine?
Oh, you sleep with nobody, yeah, man. You can't say morning.
Oh man, you know, you like long time. Brother, I'm midday now, brother.
Okay.
You just say go on now, man. You don't have to say man.
So we are shoot today, Alton.
Alright, I want your name. Who need enemies?
Who need enemies? Watch him.
Yes, we out.
You know, say me I shoot, I'll get me your pin.
What inspired that movie? Yeah?
So, I don't know.
Where be a soft off though?
Who need enemies?
The topic sound poetic. Or the title, I mean. Who needs enemies? Nobody.
Who need enemies when you have a friend like these? That's the basic.
Okay.
You know,
So I like a popcorn, that's it.
yeah.
Who needs enemies? Friends like these. Who needs enemies?
Friends like these who need enemies.
That's Cliff now.
Big two now.
Ever, just because of how awesome it looks when it's done correctly. Now, if I was to put a name on this masking effect, it would be called the 2.5D masking effect.
Can I get spliff too? I say Alton I beg, so I beg too.
You see that cut it?
I joke people, no split. Joke me. Machine now start, general.
You want a jump start?
Tiffy! A Tiffy are actually people.
Let's give me a piece of it.
No. No, Mike, when I get ready.
No?
Yeah, stop now.
You get ready. Why you so dishonest? The judge, I God. I love that car. Anyways, thanks. Thank you. So, I wait. I go and wait.
Ricky.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some water. Can't live without water. Can't live without water no matter what. You might survive with food, but can't live without water.
What Tiffy there? He said you tell shoot me, I shoot him. Yeah, that's the toughest thing.
Hold the camera.
I saw an angel. I can't hold the camera.
Where's it? Where's it?
I see an angel
Where?
in heaven.
Where?
Oh, did God send you down here? Did God send you down here?
Yeah.
Oh, so if you am recording driving, me a puppy show? Hold the camera. Hold on, man.
Where's it now, Karen?
Come on.
I drive with them. Hold on, I'm going on the next side.
I wanna come.
Alright, take this side. Sorry.
Okay. There's the fun.
Alright, Alright, so we're to Alton.
Yeah, go. Yo!
Watch his soldier.
Yeah, got Duns River.
Tiffy! Hold on there, Tiffy, come here.
Catch Tiffy. Gas, man.
Big up on yourself.
Real military man.
Yeah, man.
There's a no movement.
No movements.
Come here, go ahead. What I shop front there, right?
Yeah. Papa, you can drive.
So,
Because that's stupid question.
early morning settings, no shooting, no start. But you know, I go and get some of the call it behind the scene or a vlog. We're just call it a vlog.
Yeah.
Oh,
Into that, cause
it's on no start, perfect timing.
Hey.
So, how has the experience been so far, Si?
It's been good.
It's been good? Wonderful.
you know Si's from Brooklyn, right?
From who?
I'm not from
From Brooklyn.
I'm not from Brooklyn, but we
Our
rep in the
voice is
gang.
from Brooklyn.
Rep in the, yeah, my voice from Brooklyn. Out here, It's nobody.
If the
Gotta bang bang.
do the get. Yeah, she give me that rap kind of vibe that people.
Out here.
And I see people in like a vlog.
So you're gonna be a star there, I'm getting
Come.
Now camera can point over there so today.
So yeah.
Find over there.
At the spike. We're at the spike.
I'm not getting out. Stay right here.
Just came for the drive out.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Well, I guess we can have one conversation. Tell me more about yourself. Come on.
I don't know what you
More
want to
about
know.
yourself. Tell us about high school.
My life public, but I'm real private. High school, I'm not gonna lie. The first year was rough. It's always rough in the first year.
Like what high school was it?
Queens.
Where
School for girls.
where is that?
10 Central Avenue.
That's Jamaica?
Yeah.
Queens High School. What parish is that?
St. Andrew.
Oh, cool. I'm not familiar, but continue.
Yeah. It's an all girls school. It's fine. They're cool. Yeah, first year was rough. It's always rough in the first year. Second year, I started making friends and stuff or whatever, but I was a little troublemaker. I'm not gonna lie, because I had shit going on at home. I was a little rebellious, you know. But I was always disciplined in my classes. Like
What kind of trouble you give? You don't have one face that look like it give trouble.
I mean, yeah, but people gave me trouble because I was so cute, you know. So it was hard. It was hard to make friends, genuine friends and stuff. So people used to try and get under my skin a lot. I only got into like 2 fights, though, 2 or 3 fights.
And you won, right?
Ever been to jail?
Yeah. That bitch ass. That bitch ass.
Jaja, driver Alton, taking us back around to Jamaican City. Being bleach out head.
Yeah, no car now. Everybody wanna sponsor a new car.
What you think? You think YouTube that powerful? You can get one car, somebody donate one car.
Hell yeah, some new wheels.
People.
One Tesla? You can donate one Tesla? Alton, what did you see?
What boy? So
Oi.
come here, good boy. Boy.
Big up,
Look, boy.
big up yourself.
Bro, then.
I don't let the people them data alone.
Same.
So, my time hot people, that's why I'm here sweat down the place. You just drive go buy one bottle of water and come back. Them drive go buy one bottle of water. We just hag along. Papa, you hold your screen out of focus, brother.
What's that now?
Stretch it back. I'm going to the screen.
It's on autofocus. Just press the button.
So I really starting bike couldn't start?
Push him, man, for push and jump. Man, just in fact, you know, man, just jump.
Reach back at Jamaican City. Bunny down.
One now, man.
Hold on then, lock me in close to you all. I want my have space. Thank you, sir.
Yes, people. We're in Jamaica.
Oh, people, remember to go subscribe to the movie channel. Oh, as I was saying, remember to go subscribe to the movie channel, Lux. So, let me put a link in the description. And if you're first time over here, please subscribe. Clueless, I wonder, say, what the hell is going on? My name is Ackeen. I'm a video editor, cinematographer, and a whole heap of things. Check out previous videos to know what is going on. Keep up to speed. Why are you looking at me so weird?
Come on.
You can freestyle? Have anything written down, rap? You can freestyle for me?
We know if it's started, because we know you're not going to use keys.
Can both freestyle and written down at the same time.
Anytime people put me on the spot like that, like a bunch of songs come in my head one time, it jumbles me all up. But, alright.
Give me a acapella.
No, shall I bust the place, man?
I pop my shit, I got rich quick, I pull that trigger, that bullet gon' hit. Niggas said they want smoke, but they really wanted bricks. Now they look at me amazed like they ain't know what it is. Through the rain, wind, snow, anywhere they get the bread up. I can't trust the soul, just a beat in my Loretta. Turn my back on my little system, ain't know that I can never have these dudes out here really be moving like some heaven. So I switch your game, my love, stack the bills like do the heft. No, we don't need nobody, we can't take no stories. Girl was fine, I told her meet me right there in the lobby. And we might get strikes, so I can't go too far.
Alright. We might get strike to true.
Your time. It's a rap battle.
Sure.
She remind me of 8 Mile a while ago.
8 Mile, who name for?
The movie, dog.
A movie named 8 Mile?
You want to fill him in?
Yeah, I'm enough.
Oh, I'm not really good. I'm not really want
Oh, man.
I'm not really want movies like that. But say,
Thanks to all the people growing up.
side.
Always trying to know a little about everything so you can interact with all sorts of different people.
She's a
Yeah.
rapper. So give me a picture of rapping again. Man. My name is Alton. I'm from Jamaica. And I'm a rapper.
Oh, can do that too.
Lyrics. What me
So
can
I go
sing.
on so.
What is that there? Alright. You will go on now. It's a fast thing here again now. You get some call from one man. You got to call them and shoot somebody. Somebody dead, you call today. What we all do? Oh, make history. Making movie.
TV. Where get them shoes are from too?
Everything.
Almost look like the combat shoes them.
Military personnel.
Yeah man, Paradise Nation, who have been lazy all along.
Nice
Once you
stuff.
come back and open up, so
Yep.
don't get some content, you know what I
Like
mean?
the RV on the
So put up a card in, you know what I mean?
Yeah, real good.
So when we fans can talk to my friends, and maybe there's something you guys want to see, where people know so don't want to see.
Boy, wicked.
I'm not being no.
Woogie, woogie.
Look for a brother. That's every time people look for a brother. Remember the movie.
Yo, TV, man, I help him start.
Give me.
Take a minute.
Which movie? Which movie?
Lockdown.
Oh,
Part 2.
okay.
If you not watch it, I tell you, it's a laugh one over there.
Nah, boss. Watch Alton. Shoot me shooting you. This is weird.
Come on, I'll take it to good man. One of the best.
I mean, Alton got show.
Yeah. She's a chef this day.
You send me well over. Send a message.
The music. Remember, say your mic can read the music clear. Selfish humans.
No, look at the music, can't explain it.
Yeah, look a bit. Little bit.
Don't explain it like that, there's any problem with the accent.
So, yeah, people, definitely stick around. Kinda slow pace, yeah. But stick around. I catch them and I'm film and everything. Okay, my general. Alright. So yeah, people, I just realized that the whole thing they blown out just before I'm point upon them realize that the setting is for change. So as I say, slow pace in the morning, but stick around. We'll catch the whole filming behind the scenes as we usually do. Oh well, bro, you can't ride bike, man. Man, lick you down, you know. So man, in the pan bike. Never see you ride a bike yet. Cha no stir. Well, no, not about bike still, you know. No, not about bike. I left them up by something, I ain't going to deal with them, I deal with.
Let me start the bike.
Look like they're shooting out for stars right now.
What you want now? Me a beat up the soldier down. I know soldier not supposed to beat me up.
Is it fire? Drum. Want to light the place and now. You don't light the place and now. They want to light the place and now. Just in case.
Some of them man only in a retard don't speak the place.
Music are playing there, so I'm not going there. I'm try to demonetize it. So we just go and stay out there, so. Look like it's going to rain as well. So it look like the planning process and the freestyling start now. So, you know me? Write down stuff. I always start. And this a man a real bike man one.
Mega, you couldn't budge. Couldn't budge your ass. Come on, man, a bike up.
want Papa there, car. You know how long I want punch him. I don't know how him in there. Where Papa there? Hey, boy, Papa. I want Papa. Him some of them. You know?
Okay.
Alright.
Papa, you get nervous, you know? Papa, you get nervous all like you see him doing it.
No, cha. You remember Papa and Olive and Brutus? Yeah, this story.
You say just name up some spinach and like that.
I only put about then.
I think someone try to set you up, so you go here, you call the police, call the soldier for you. Say you murder. I must believe them because they murder some people around here. You know what I mean? As a soldier come now, you know the soldier come and give you. So what you welfare? And take off good now. As a group, as you have any hands on police come and find your soldier. Oh yeah. They don't survive the door. Because they get the shot with a run after the soldier. And survive, you know what I mean? Yeah. But you're not really know Simon set you up smart, you know.
No man, I understand.
Your officer just give full.
No man, I understand,
yeah.
You go give me now, give me.
What is that for me? I want to
when the police shoot you, you know, but it's very hard, you know. You don't want to tell them say dead, you know. One long in the room and I said 10. That's that.
Pick up yourself.
So it can't work.
Alright, where we are going to start the scene from here? Yeah, shot.
Where do you live? Huh? Where do you live? I'm not about that live. The girl come over them. We have your house so we can't use sex. We get the girl. So you not got the yard. You can't get anywhere. For that senior. The senior place there one place but they can't go on can. You know, no matter what party there. You right as they can, you know you can't.
Alright, Pastor. Ready to Pastor. Come in, Papa.
And I guess that's how they do it. So discuss, then shoot. Remember, you know, subscribe to the Lux channel. Subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed yet. Yeah. Say I shoot till you can. Yeah. Oh. TV. TV. She's beautiful, ain't she? Our TV there. Everybody going up saying the prop them. No, what's up, man, them. The one that near Worcester. So the whole planning, preparing, everything I happen right, the shooting, everything I happen right now. And I hit to a catch. So I wait for the soldier, I'm more power with the soldier for go up. I mean big old Rambo knife.
You can't talk to people them.
Okay, but hide that knife that door, because YouTube not like to something now. Hide the knife.
Oh, the knife.
Yeah, they don't like see it, YouTube don't like to something.
Yeah, what going on now? At first me I talk to you know. Yeah, what? Alright, get to Ackeen too. How much followers you have on YouTube now?
Boy, 8,000.
8,000.
I tell them, so Senegal 100,000. Or 1 million.
Here Ackeen go 15,000. I'm going to work anything you want me do. Me do it for now.
Oh yeah,
wicked action.
Wanna hear that?
Get him to 20,000. You have to worth it.
Hear that? Wanna hear that? So if you're first time over here, so, you know, make sure you click subscribe and make we know in the comments that this brother make you subscribe because you have one request for him.
20,000. Anything you know say me fi do, hit me I go do.
Alright,
just say the word. 20,000
alright, my boss.
subscribers. Get him right there, right now.
Suppose they want 50 push up.
Anything what they want to not get it. Anything what they want to not get it.
Alright, my general. Are you me a power with still no? Now I go up and move the city there.
Yeah man, Ackeen, when you go over Ackeen, make sure you not subscribe, you know. No do it so you can get any action you want. Any ideas, anything you want to do, if you want to eat lizard, survival.
Hold on there, we don't make you do that TV.
No, a survival. No, how a soldier fi do for survive, you know.
Well.
How a soldier fi do for survive, to stay alive, you understand? Anything you want me do it for you.
Alright, my general.
Just say the word, get him to 20,000 subscribers.
Here, 20,000. But I said 20,000.
You have to worth it, you know.
Alright.
It have to worth it.
Alright, my general. Oh, then start 2:30.
You see it, I'm going to give one buzz for the corner. So I go no left on the corner?
No, man, no left on the corner, man. No, say...
Now listen, man. Come, take to the
Keisha.
No, what is the topic? You might have bridging.
Yeah.
And your best bed from school days, daddy. One daddy.
Yeah,
You're about Keisha there.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
I don't know about Keisha. No, man, I'm a friend, man. So you are your friend. And you have a woman a friend too. Yo, nobody can touch her and daddy.
You know, so I will murderer.
Yeah, man.
So, come across.
Yeah, man.
Murderer.
You're good though, come here, you're virgin and daddy.
Keisha even thinks if you get to him and dreaming dead.
So, you're good though. You know that? Yo.
Step back here.
No, I'll leave it, man.
Give me gun. Give me gun afterwards. They're gun there.
Alright.
Give me gun. Yeah, hold this and come and walk on the way because the face of my watch me.
Wow, my friend.
Ready now.
Wow, my friend. For school days, me a friend.
I go and hold it, man. I don't want to go and hold emotion. I don't know.
So, yeah, good.
Yeah, man.
So, Keisha good.
Yeah, man, down on the base, I go and hold the block, you know.
I know say I have to take her to him.
Yeah, man, you don't panic.
Yeah, man, in down on the base, I hold the block, you know.
Yeah, I like that still, because I like to see eyes.
Yes, hello, you're bad, I know, you got me house. What's your man? Give me some rum there. Who have rum? Give me some rum. Watch out, look for me house.
Alright.
What kind of ball?
Yeah, watch out now. Watch out with that. We can show that part now.
I didn't disturb you, like, how you did that?
Oh, sure.
Aye.
Keisha don't pan the black or what?
What you mean? Vibes, yes?
Just catch it. You just say it again?
Yeah, man, Keisha don't pan the black or what?
Hold on. Nice.
Yeah, man, Keisha don't pan the black or what? Yeah. Nice control.
Ready?
Yeah, man, Keisha don't pan the black or what vibes, you know? I go on with the black, you know?
But anyway, still, I'm glad they come check me still in the car. Anyway, still, I'm glad they come check me still in the car. I want to commission and want to do it. But you know, I go down on the road, so I'll be the police down on the road, so I lock off this thing. Just hold it. Just put it down.
No, but you need to pan him a vibes, yeah.
President, you move, man. How you cut?
Put it back in your pocket.
Anyway, yeah, I'm be a police down on the road. And yeah, I'm going to go down on the road. I'm going to walk here, so you lock off with me.
Yo, I didn't come up on them at ends of the day.
Can't move, man.
Alright, yo, it's because of you.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to hold on, 20. Yes, sir. That's the first thing I do when I reach back.
That goes, it's what I'm
First thing. When I reach back.
You know, move, man. The shoot, man.
Oh, man, I don't know, man. I'm not cooking.
No, man. Don't cut the lead. Me tell you, do it, man.
Yeah, but.
Wow,
Tell me for the man. Do that. Continue.
Give up it good.
You go come in for your gun pass. Go and talk again.
Ready?
Yeah. I'll be a police down on the road.
Yeah.
So I am going to get the gun.
Yeah, but here you go. You ready now?
Yeah.
Call him back and me I shoot him up, because they are chatting in the background.
Alright.
Alright.
Go tell her when.
Yo, no give something to lock off.
Yeah.
I'll be a police down on the road. So yeah, hold it, you know.
But yo, I never come on them vibes still in a papa.
Listen to me. Who name, sir? A Ringo, me name.
Alright, Gringo. Yo, I never.
Wait, Wait. When are you ground? You have to take it out.
Don't take it gun now.
Yeah.
You can't make it gun just jog out time hands.
No, man.
No, take it gun. No. You can't do like a scene like you say.
No, before I got the gun pass.
You can't just take out the gun. You sense like that.
More, this man a short shoot the first. You know what I mean?
Yo, go and show you that, son.
Alright, yo, I'm going to do it like
I'll
that.
do it.
I'm not going to do no talking there.
You think you're going to take it?
Yeah, but I'll take it, but you only stupid man just take something
No, that bad man, you're going to want it.
That's a bad man.
Alright, so, they all find this and come on.
But you what, where are you like? Yeah, a friend, but you are something. Yeah, like I say, we don't come find that. Yeah.
No nice.
Ready?
No
That's what I'm saying. I'm ready for you.
No nice. Ready.
Oh yeah. What go and Ringo? Alright bro. You alright man, we're not dealing with.
Everything good,
Yeah, man,
man.
everything's solid, daddy.
You sure man?
Yeah, man, everything good.
I don't have no problem when I say no brother. Make careful. You alright? We're good sir, alright?
Everything go bad, man.
Alright, I soon go link you up in the middle of the sir.
Alright.
I'll call me when I'm ready.
Yeah, my brother.
Alright.
Alright, yo, I don't take it properly.
So right now, when my child get going, we're not getting what question on
And that's why I draw back and I say, I didn't come for this about you what, because you are my virgin, I'm going to take it on.
No, man. No, you're going to say that. You're going to say you're going to give man who's lucky. No, man.
And
The man, the child happy, no man, the man, they're killing them.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's why that's it.
So when you talk again and you walk come back in.
Brand large.
You know what I say? Is she in the say?
No.
I don't say already.
No, man, I want to catch him in the shop. Go on.
And chop one
Then bring me up now.
Yo, yeah, stop recording, yo. Record the one.
Alright, so I'm already back in our
Right,
back.
no, man. Stop.
Where's the record, man?
Alright, sir. Alright, where did I go? Yeah.
Alright, no nice, please.
So you got him?
So what, man?
You know me there? I'm going to hold off.
You know, say me have bridging for a long time, from school days.
Yeah, man, I know that, man. Yeah, talk about, man.
So what about the t-shirt?
You know, Keisha up a yard, I'm going with the black.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. I look solid, see him, you don't know.
You know, say she have to go, see, man.
Yeah.
Nice, pretty girl, you have done, man. But anyway, still. Well, everything good, man. Everything
Alright
good.
bro, we're not dealing.
I know you're going with the vibes, see
Alright,
me.
everything bless up man.
Yeah, man, everything blessed, man.
Alright, only on that.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, my general.
So you know.
Yeah.
I'll be a police down on the road.
We shot down there.
You don't even know, but me have here this lock off for me to come.
So you want me couldn't give boss one back the gun, man. We lock off like one now.
You don't know this man. Him chicken happy. Him kill all the baby.
Oh, yo, me forgot. You want me go on hold on panicking about it. So when you come back, make sure you come link me and get it back for me.
Just the move down right there. So right there, somebody come back.
Alright, brother.
So the whole house is black for me.
I go and burn a flash now anyway. Same time.
Burn the flash. I lost the eye. Burn it, man. Burn it.
What camera now? Is someone go walk and say, yo,
Light up.
I thought Ringo there. Ringo guys over gonna circle back, man. You know what I mean? So, you introduce yourself in the animal already. That's how we are dealing. This, that. Then you take us.
Alright. So, come back.
But I fast is with him, so yo.
Next man.
Yeah.
Two, we go back in.
Yeah, go back.
The police them come in.
Yeah.
Let's
As you come back out to the pop. You know the soldier come.
Can I put up on my camera, miss? Can I put up on my camera? Come talk to you a little bit. Enough people, so I like socialize with people. You know, just chat, get to know people. Never do that. I like do that. No. Why? You know you need friends in this world? Morning. What's your name? My name is Ackeen.
My name is Tamisia.
Tamisia. You're from around here?
Yes.
I first met you. You don't really come on, don't you?
Yeah.
I first met you, I swear to God. Somebody gonna come give you a piece of movie. They have movie eyes. I can watch a video later and you hear them tell her eyes are pretty. Mm-hmm. Your eyes are pretty for true. Are your friend that nice shop?
My mother.
Mommy? Yeah. Let me see if you should get them. No, you should get the eyes them from I say that the eye don't look like yours?
But the eye them when I see.
But I don't know what daddy has me tell you first, me I see.
Daddy.
Oh, the brown man over there, sir?
The Rasta.
Nah, pretty eyes them. Alright people, so as you can see, shooting, filming are going over Jamaican City, all of the things them are going. And I remind you again, if you make it this far, subscribe if you not subscribe yet. My analytics are showing me say, only pound I watch the video and not subscribe. Nah, take nothing out of you. Click subscribe, you understand? Enable me for, you know, put some full-length movies over there and looks. I mean, I learn a whole heap from the behind the scenes, them, how them plan them movies. You know, them still learn from other people's mistake. So, some little things where you say you could have correct, you make note of it, and do all the good stuff. So, I'm really excited to get this project that I have completed so I can show you. I want it to be me learning from, you know, this space. Peter McKinnon, as me always tell you, everything I know about Premiere Pro, video editing, Peter McKinnon. So definitely subscribe to Lux channel, subscribe to this channel, check out previous videos for entertaining content, more behind the scenes, do all of the good things them. We shall see each other soon.